Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Gemini supports multiple languages and changing the language is straightforward. But these settings live in two places depending on whether you are using the mobile app or the web version. On mobile, you will find the language option inside the Gemini app settings. On the web, Gemini follows your Google account language preferences. If you change one and not the other, you might see inconsistent results across devices. Anyway, in this guide I will walk you through both methods, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Step number 1, or the idea number 1, change language in the Gemini mobile app. It's basically easy. All you're gonna do is tap your Google profile account or icon, then go to settings, go all the way down to settings here, and you will be able to see multiple options. Gemini on lock screen context, touch Gemini, and languages. Tap on languages and select your preferred languages from the list. If change doesn't take effect immediately, all you're gonna do is basically swipe the app away and restart it. Then try to change the language. Gemini on the web is pretty easy. Gemini on the web, as I told you, follows your Google account. So go to myaccount.google.com, then check personalization, general preference for the web, find and click on language. Choose your preferred language from the options, then select to confirm. As for the method 3 or the idea 3, change language using the Google app. Alternative method: open the Google app on your phone, tap your profile icon like the same step as I just showed you, and change the language. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.